Hey everyone, it's the Brickmaster, and today we're going to be building a house on this blue platform, and putting it in the tub, seeing if it can survive a flood. We're going to put it in the tub and fill it up, and by each little second, it's going to rise up, and we'll see if the house can survive. So let's get going on that. So first off here, I'm going to take some white bricks and just lay them across right here. So, bam. Now, we put that there, that there, boom. And now, we put a door right there. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Now, I'm going to put that piece there, and we have a white brick right here. So, okay, from all is good. Now, I have these two yellow pieces. Come on. I'm going to lay them back here on the sides. I just forgot. Let's add some detail. So, let's add this right there. And then let's put a brick right here. And then a brick right here. So we have a little path. Now, let's grab two white bricks, lay them right there, and then I have these two dark red pieces, and obviously they don't fit there. I don't know why I thought they'd fit, but let's look for some pieces that will fit. I'm gonna make it yellow, bam, bam, and oh, bam. So here we go. We got the sides. We're going onto the back wall now. I'm gonna take these two red pieces and put them right across. Boom. Now, this was actually a part of a house I built a long time ago. So I just took it apart and building it with you guys. And now let's take these two dark red pieces and lay them. These are super old pieces, so I have to press really hard for them to stick. So, let's grab this white brick and these, lay them right there. And lay that one right there. Two red bricks right there. I don't really like the color scheme that much. It's not about how it looks, it's about how strong it is and if it can survive a flood. So I'm gonna quickly build this. I'll catch you guys later. Guys, we have gotten pretty far on this. I just figured out a problem though. I do not know what we're going to use for the roof. We need a roof. A roof. If you had a house with no roof in a flood, you drown because all the water go up right into your house. So figured out we need a roof. I don't know what we're gonna use for the roof. Let's keep building, and we'll see if I get any ideas. So, this yellow brick right there. Honestly, I was trying to go with a good color scheme. No, I just remembered it's not about how good it looks. It's about that it can survive a flood. Great. I just ran out of white bricks too. Man. Wait a minute. Are you kidding me? So I'm running out of ideas of what to do. Running out of bricks, running out of ideas. Okay, that's it. My soul is dying, but we're just putting bricks on. Just putting them on there. Put some time lapse. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, we are now like a few minutes in. I still don't know what to do about this roof problem we have. We have 2 more layers of bricks to go. Then we're onto the roof. I have no idea what to do for the roof. I am running out of bricks. I'm running out of ideas. This is horrible. Wait, I just remembered. I have a bin full of bricks. Let's pull out our red bricks. And our black and gray bricks. Bye-bye. Pop that open. Come on. There we go. These are cheap dollar store stuff. Cheap dollar store bins. But they're pretty good. Pretty good. There. So, I'm no longer running out of bricks. So I found these things. Let's grab gray brick. And like, that's it. Screw the color scheme. We're just doing random colored bricks because I just want to get this done to go eat dinner. Right here is where your soul will die. Right here, your soul will die. Look at that. Just look at that. I hate doing that. And I have to do it right now. Hate this mixing brick colors. I absolutely hate it. Post in the comments if you're a Lego builder, if you hate mixing brick colors together. Because I know I do. It's just something I cannot handle doing. Most of my builds with that, I've immediately taken them apart. It's so annoying. Okay, guys. Almost done our second layer. Okay, guys. Only got 1 more layer to go. Catch you guys later. Lego tip. If you want to make one of these bricks, but you don't have any of them, and you wish you could, like, use sorcery to make it. Here's a way to make it, but it's not sorcery. You take 3 of those plates. They'll be the exact same. And you just stack them on each other. And then I can compare my hand-built one to an actual brick. Here's the one I built. Here's the actual brick. The exact same. That's a cool tip. And I'll continue our last layer. Hey guys, we are almost done our last layer. That's all we have to do. A few more bricks. Hey guys, we are putting in our last brick till we have to do the roof. We have finished the walls. Now I have no idea what we're gonna do for the roof. I was kind of hoping we never got to the roof part. Wait, what? I just automatically put these in, bro. Well, I guess I do have an idea for the roof. But then, yeah, exactly. I run out of bricks. Keep running out of bricks. It's so annoying. I'm calling these bricks or plates. Well, here we go. I got the back wall. Something about me is just like screaming. Put in like support beam because all the water will go on the top. And all the water will go on the top and just exactly. But no, I'm tired. No, I just want to put this in the tub and watch him and the person in the house and the person in it get obliterated by water. What? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. We are going to put a person in it. And if they start floating around, we lose. So let's just put these here. Bam. Come on. Oh, here we go. I'm just gonna put some of these pieces around for supports. I'm just gonna put them places. That is the lazy way to put in supports. And I'm lazy, so I'm doing the lazy way. Are you kidding me? Man, come on. Like, it just broke. Like, right now, it just broke. That is just dumb. This time I will not break it. That's too big. This time. Oh, come on. I jinxed myself. There we go. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Getting somewhere with the roof. We're getting somewhere. Just have to fill in that last little gap right there, guys. It's that last little gap. I don't know why. I don't know how I got this idea, but I'm using a piece for a car. Now I'm just gonna in there so it all doesn't fall down. And now, why is that in here? You get out of here. Now I'm gonna take some blue bricks and just stack them up on the Y for detail. Blue and purple. What are these things? What are those bricks? What are they? God, they are annoying. Oh my God. The most annoying brick I've ever seen. And how am I just discovering them? I've been playing with Lego for years. And I'm just discovering them now. That is, all those are like strange bricks. They're like this video if you agree that should be the monster in Stranger Things season 5. And yes, they are making a season 5. But am I seriously? Oh, thank God. And gonna add one more brick, which is this light blue thing. I don't know why I'm adding it. And well, you remember this guy. He'll be our test subject for every video. He is from our last video that we did with water. Can it float boat challenge? Make sure to check that video out. The old angry man. So let's take him. I should have put him in before I put on the roof. I should. Boy, I will be hitting myself today a lot. That'll be just a moment. I am much better now. The no-looker. Stay in your house. Let's take it to the tub. Guys, we got it in the tub. Just let me put in the plug. Fill it up. I'll just rest this right here. Oh God. Almost fell. Okay. We got plug in. They'll turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Will it survive? And I gotta grab a stool. I have to have something to sit on. Okay. Geez, the water came up so fast. I think our house will survive. Later on, guys, I'm gonna push this into the source of the flood. Evil. So yeah, that's my plan. Okay. I'm gonna check on the guy. I just have a weird feeling. He's like, help me, please. Oh God, that burns. That burns. Why did I make it so hot? God, wait. Bro, it's floating. It's floating. Why is it so hot? This water is literally so hot. Okay, come on. No, come back. Come back, please. Come on, please, come back. Okay, so take a look at him. Oh yeah, he just being cute. Okay, so we need a way to hold him down. I have an idea. So I just used myself to hold it down. And I had to put on shorts. I don't want to get under control. I'm gonna check on this guy, see if he's doing good. Is he just still being chilling? He might still be just being chilling. And he is being chilling. And get on the ground. What? That's all I have to do? Now, this day in the storm, it looks like he's still moving. I mean, like, it probably just still being slow. I don't know. But, oh yeah, let's turn it around. And then, ah ha ha! Are you still being chilling in there? Mwahaha! Yeah, boy. Oh, look at that. Oh, actually, starting to take a bit of the pieces off. Okay, boys. I bet he's still being chilly in there. I don't know. Let's check. Come on. Let me open the door to Mr. Bean Chilling's house. It's still being chilly. Ow. Being chilly. Anyways. Let's open the door. Let's open the door. And then, ha ha. Try to survive this. I have the most evil plan. Mwahaha! Is he square? Look at that! He's perfectly fine. And no, I did not cut and edit this to make it look like he's fine. Oh my god! Perfectly fine! Oh my god! I think he won. I think we might have won. Can it survive the great storm of foot? Yarr. Oh, there he goes. Now it's not the real fun. It's falling apart. Presents after everybody. Down. Oh, let's fill it up. Yeah, we're up. Is he being chilling? He is being chilling. Oh my god. How is he still being chilling in it? He's just chilling, bro. He's just chilling while his roof just got destroyed. What? It's still... This guy's still starting. Man, this guy's indestructible. Let's try, like, dropping it. Okay, so we just flipped it over. What? He is still surviving. Look at that. He's just standing right there. He's like, he's just chilling in there. Oh yeah. Can you survive that? Oh no, I don't think you can. Oh my god. There he is. He came right out. He came right. What? I lost him. There he is. He came right out of there. Guys, I think the storm won this one. The city of one house with Mr. Indestructible has fallen because of the evil tap. Man, the tap's evil. Well, for the last bit of this, put him on the raft. Come on, stay under and turn it on. That's haha. I was Mr. Indestructible like that. Not so indestructible. Okay, he just survived that. Well, guys, I think we lost this one. What do you guys think? Do you think we lost this one? I mean, like, the house is only like a bit in lots of pieces. Like, look at that. Like, it looks like nothing ever happened. I don't know, guys. I don't think we lost. You guys think we lost? Like, he's dead. Nah, I'm just kidding. We lost. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Breakmaster, see you guys later.